Tailoring is the deliberate adaptation of the project management approach, governance, and processes to make them more suitable for the given environment and the work at hand. In a project management environment, tailoring considers the development approach, processes, project lifecycle, deliverables, and a choice of people with whom to engage. The tailoring process is driven by the guiding project management principles in the standard for project management, organizational values, and organizational culture. For instance, if a core organizational value is customer centricity, then the activities selected for requirement solicitation and scope validation favor customer centered approaches. This aligns with the principle of effectively engage with stakeholders. Likewise, an organization with a low appetite for risk may have many processes and procedures to guide project through their life cycle. A similar company operating in the same market but with a high tolerance for risk may have fewer processes and procedures. In both of these examples, the organizations are aligned with the principle of optimized risk responses, even though their appetite, processes, and procedures are different. Tailoring entails the mindful selection and adjustment of multiple project factors, regardless of whether the label of tailoring is used. Tailoring involves understanding the project context, goals, and operating environment. Projects operate in complex environments that need to balance potentially competing demands that include but are not limited to delivering as quickly as possible, minimizing the project costs, optimizing the value delivered, creating high quality deliverables and outcomes, providing compliance with regulatory standards, satisfying diverse stakeholders' expectations, and adapting to change.